Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Sagittarius for the month of December 2025. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So, let's see what do the cards have for Sagittarius. I am sorry, I am late in uploading the videos. I'm having cold and bad throat, so that is why the delay. I'm really sorry for that. So let's see what do the cards have here for Sagittarius. What's the overall energy we have for Sagittarius for December? What's the overall energy we have for Sagittarius for December? What's the overall energy we have for Sagittarius for December? What's the overall energy we have for Sagittarius for December? Okay. Please clarify Ace of Cups. So overall energy for Sagittarius. Ace of Cups as overall energy for Sagittarius. Ace of Cups as overall energy for Sagittarius. Ace of Cups as overall energy for Sagittarius. Please clarify Ace of Cups. Okay. Okay, one card flipped. Alright, let's see what the key challenges we have. Key challenges for Sagittarius. Please clarify Seven of Wands. So challenges for Sagittarius. Seven of Wands has challenges for Sagittarius. Seven of Wands has challenges for Sagittarius. Let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you, Sagittarius. Actions or advice for Sagittarius. What are the actions or advice we have for Sagittarius? What are the actions or advice we have for Sagittarius? Actions or advice for Sagittarius. Okay. Alright. What are the strength and opportunities we have for Sagittarius? The strength and opportunities for Sagittarius. The strength and opportunities for Sagittarius. Please clarify the Temperance card. Okay. Okay, bottom of the deck we have the Eight of Wands. Okay, so bottom of the deck energy is basically your subconscious energies or the energies you are dealing with lately. Okay, so it's like something is moving. Okay, things are moving. It can be unexpected travels happening. It can be the work related travels happening. Unplanned journey, unplanned trips are happening. You might also be planning to relocate, or some of you are actually relocating. Can be to a different place, different city, different state, different country altogether. I also see, things which were kind of stuck from quite some time in your life have started to move, or they will start to move in December. Okay, that is what the energy I'm getting for you, Sagittarius. Also, I see in December there are very good chances that somebody might come to you. Okay, somebody might confess their feelings, their love to you, their emotions. What do they feel for you is also I'm getting. Now it can also be your energy that if you are having some emotions or feelings for someone, you are kind of ready to express your love to that person. But at the same time, you have to be very careful with whom you're sharing your important things with. Okay, when it comes to your emotions, sharing your emotions and feelings, or you might be getting some kind of reward or success, you might be getting some kind of, you know um, it can be anything, basically something which you have been waiting for some time. It can be, again, some kind of recognition, growth, promotion, bonus, increment in terms of your finances, something you are gaining. Okay, some unexpected rewards coming in, some investments are getting fruitful, and the returns are, maybe much more than what you expected. In your relationship also, maybe, somebody's coming in your life, and it's everything is good. But at the same time, when you are getting all this, you have to be careful with whom you share this further. Okay, because not everybody who calls you your friend is actually your friend, right? So keep that in mind कि आप किसके साथ अपनी important चीजें share कर रहे हो, because that person may not have so much good and pure intentions for you. Okay, so just try to be mindful with whom you share your important things with. I also see that keep your secrets to yourself. Don't reveal to everyone or to anyone blindly. Don't trust anyone blindly. Keep your important documents, your important information. It can be your passwords, it can be your files, your documents, or even something related to, a very emotional or deep secret which you have, kept locked in your heart, and now you're trusting someone and sharing things. It may not be, so much a good thing to do. Okay, that is what I'm getting for you, Sagittarius. So try to keep your important things to yourself. Okay, otherwise the month is good, everything is good. You are getting, there is growth coming in, there is recognition coming in, there is love coming in. If you are looking for love in your life, there are very good chances that someone might come or enter your life with that love, that emotional bond, that love that you're looking for. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Universe is offering you with that happiness, peace, growth, success, recognition, love, care, everything. But just try to keep that in mind, keep with whom you are sharing it. Okay, sometimes when we share, the person's intention are not so good, and they might, kind of, बोलते हैं ना कि until and unless you have achieved something, keep it a secret. Don't reveal until it's done. Okay, so just try to keep that in mind. Okay, that is what I'm getting for you. Now the sorry, now the key challenges or obstacles I'm seeing here, that you may have to be defensive at times. Okay, कभी कभी हमें ना अपना we have to speak for ourselves, we have to take stand for ourselves. Sometimes we need to defend ourselves. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. There may be some challenges coming your way. People may be, पोकिंग यू फॉर नो रीजन. आपको अपना वर्थ प्रूफ करने के लिए आपको कुछ यू मे हैव टू स्पेसिफाई और शो केस योर वर्क. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी भी मुझे दिख रही है. एट द सेम टाइम I also see that you may feel not getting enough support from the people around at your workplace. In your finances also, you might feel that, one second. In your finances also, you might feel, when it comes to your finances, you might feel that you are not able to balance it clearly, or there is a need that you need to be mindful of how much you are earning and how much you are spending, how much you are saving, how much you are investing. You need to bring that financial discipline also, I am getting. Okay, so just try to keep or having a check on your expenses, on how much you are spending, and try to create a budget so that you don't overspend. And also in your workplace, don't be afraid when the time has come, when there is a need to take stand for yourself. Don't be afraid, rather speak for yourself. Okay, take that stand, and don't let other people demotivate you or pull you down. Okay, don't let them do that. Okay, just try to take that stand, speak your truth, take that lead, take that role, have that fearless energy when it comes to share or showcase what you do, what you bring to the table. Don't be afraid when there is a need to do that. Okay, at the same time, manage your finances well. इमोशनल सपोर्ट में भी हो सकता है, आपको थोड़ा सा इशू लग सकता है कि नोबडी इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग मी, बट व्हेन यू नो दैट नोबडी इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू, यू नीड टू कम्युनिकेट प्रॉपरली एंड यू नीड टू speak for yourself. That is where this thing comes up, right? So just keep that in mind. Now the action or advice here for you is, you don't have to overthink. अगर आप हर चीज के लिए overthink करोगे ना, so you will not be able to sleep properly even if you have everything. Okay, so there you need to protect yourself from anxiety, overthinking, एंड यू नीड टू टेक दैट एक्शन. ओके, आपको पैशनेट रहने की ज़रूरत है, आपको वो लीडरशिप रोल रहने की ज़रूरत, उस लीडरशिप रोल में रहने की ज़रूरत है जहाँ पे यू कैन टेक दैट लीड. यू नीड टू हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि आई नो वट आई हैव टू डू, आई नो वट आई एम डूइंग एंड आई नो आई कैन डू इट. उस तरह की एनर्जी है. एट द सेम टाइम यू डोंट हैव टू बी रूड एंड ब्लंट, यू हैव टू बी नर्चरिंग एंड केयरिंग. इट कैन बी फॉर यू, फॉर योर सेल्फ, for the people near you, for your family, for your friends, for your pets also. For some of you I am getting. Okay, so just you have the support of the universe. Just be passionate and don't overthink, don't stress over things, and everything will be fine. Okay, sometimes we just need to change our perspective and things just मतलब हम प्रॉब्लम इतनी बड़ी होती नहीं है जितना हमारे इल्यूजन हम उस प्रॉब्लम को बड़ा बड़ा बना देते हैं, राइट? हमारा डर उस प्रॉब्लम को बड़ा बना देता है. तो आपको सिर्फ अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है एंड प्रायोरिटाइज things and take the things at a time, take one thing at a time and accordingly take the steps, and you will be able to overcome all the challenges coming your way. Okay, now the strength and opportunities for you Sagittarius is, एज आई सेड, आप ना बैलेंस करोगे चीज़ों को. ओके, द पीपल जहाँ पे पीपल हु वर ट्राइंग टू पुल यू डाउन may be the same people who will cheer for you during the end. Okay, or once you have achieved your particular goal, वही लोग आपके लिए अपलॉड भी करेंगे जो आपको चैलेंज करेंगे, राइट? सो एज आई सेड, आपको अपने लिए स्टैंड लेने की ज़रूरत है. स्पीक योर ट्रूथ एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट द सक्सेस. ओके, आपको कॉन्फिडेंट रहने की ज़रूरत है. आई वाज सेइंग, राइट, ओवर थिंक नहीं करना है, रैदर एक्शन पे फोकस करना है. once you are confident, once you have that foresightedness, once you have that leadership authority, that leadership passion you have in you, you will be able to overcome all the challenges. You will be able to manage things properly in a more efficient, effective manner, and you will definitely get the success and people will definitely cheer for you. Okay, so you don't have to give up at any point of time. Just be mindful with whom you are sharing, because it may be कि आप अपना trust में आके आप अपनी important चीज़ें share कर रहे हो, अपने ideas share कर रहे हो, and the other person may take the credit of your creativity. So it will be a loss for you, right, in that case. So just be mindful कि आप किसके साथ अपनी चीज़ें share कर रहे हो, and don't trust everyone blindly. Keep things to yourself until it's done, and you will definitely get the success. Don't stress over things, rather prioritize things, take one thing at a time, priority basis pe, and deal with the things in a planned manner. Okay, so that's the reading I have for you Sagittarius. If you have liked it, please do like this video. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.